Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can set a custom background on your PS5 home screen. Now before we start, there's something important you need to know. The PS5 does not support custom wallpapers or themes like the PS4 did, so you cannot upload your own pictures or download custom themes on PS5. Instead, the PS5 background changes automatically based on the game you play. So right over here, as you can see, I am currently on Playroom, and it has its background. So if I cycle through it, it will just, show the background according to the game, and it will automatically change. That's it. If you want a specific background to stay on your screen, simply highlight that game and leave it selected. So again, you can't manually select a custom background on PS5, but the system automatically changes it depending on the game you choose. If this video actually helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you soon in the next one.